Hello guys, welcome to the first episode of the Restore and Drive project with the legendary Opel Manta A model. This car has been sitting in a barn for at least 20 years and it hasn't seen the road, so it's going to be a lot of steps and phases in a restoration. I hope to provide you content that will be more beneficial to you than those restorations containing only images, and this way you can learn more, you get more content, and of course you can always contribute with comments, suggestions and things down below. Thank you so much for joining in. I hope to see you next time.